Hey, good morning, guys. Look, I really slept like a baby today. Anyway, how you guys doing? So I just woke up. Time check is, where is the time? It's actually 8:19. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth, bath, and then I head out for breakfast. And then I see what I'm gonna be doing today, because they actually gave me like, if I wanna go to the Zimbabwean side for parasailing, is it? But I can't do that now. Yeah, because I left my IDs. I just came with my driver's license, but he told me that you can't actually use that. And then I can just do swimming, I can do a boat cruise, and then I'm gonna do a tour. I think after breakfast I'll head out to town to do the town tour first before I come back to swim, have lunch, and all that. So let me just show you my view. Okay, so I'll have to turn the camera anyway, but that's outside. Let me go outside. So let me just head out. Look how amazing. I've been seeing peacocks, but I've been hearing peacocks, but I don't know where they've gone really. And that right there is a Southern Bella boat. They call it Protea Hotel, but I think they closed. Then I don't know if we're allowed to swim here. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a walk down once I have breakfast. Like, I walk down there and sit somewhere. So it's a boat that we're gonna be using. Guys, this is just amazing. Okay. I'm loving it. Loving it. Anyway. Let me go and back now before breakfast is finished. So I just got done bathing, and then I found this beauty here. Look at that. Anyway, so right now I am heading to the restaurant. I'm gonna have breakfast. After breakfast, I'm gonna show you guys how this place looks like. So let's go eat. So far I've seen 4 of these. I don't know if there's, oh look, oh that's amazing. The real food. I enjoyed this yesterday.
You enjoyed this? Mm-hmm. You should enjoy this one as well.
Yeah. Thank you. This is my breaking. I'll get some juice. So I just got done with my breakfast and decided I do a walk tour for you guys. So here they offer conferencing facilities, luxury accommodation, fishing, nature walks, and
boat rides. So Manchinchi Bay is actually located on the shores of the Lake Kariba. Yeah, as you can see there, it is nestled in the heart of the Lake Kariba. So those are rooms, there's a swimming pool. Look at that peacock. Like, they just have a lot of peacocks here. Look at the other ones there. Yeah, so they are also an ideal destination for variety of activities. So Manchinchi Bay Lodge is actually the ultimate getaway destination. Experience the true beauty of nature with unbelievably gorgeous views extending beyond the horizon. Enjoy the perfect balance between luxury and adventure. Have a wide range of exciting amenities, a swimming pool, bar, restaurant, conference facilities, etc. at your disposal. They also have a host of activities to keep the fun flowing and the boredom at bay. I think you guys remember that in my road trip video or room tour, I mentioned that they actually gave me a list of activities that I can do. So there's boat cruising, nature walks, beach volleyball, poolside barbecues, what else, fishing, and many more. So the rooms are fully geared to make sure you rest in absolute pleasure. Watch some football on DSTV as you make yourself some coffee. I'm sure you guys saw some coffee in my room. Keep in touch with the world with their telephones and strong Wi-Fi. Actually, I've been to places, but this place actually has got very strong Wi-Fi here. And then, as you know that Siavonga is hot, you don't have to worry about that because the rooms have got air conditioning to make you as comfortable as you can be. So, if you want to make a reservation, let me leave their number somewhere down below and you can visit them one day. Yeah. And guys, summer is here, so you have to go to Siavonga to go and swim. That's the closest place you can go to where there's a beach and water. So make plans, visit Manchinchi Bay, and enjoy what I'm enjoying right now. Yeah. Hey guys, so let me tell you what happened today, right? Anyway, so these guys said that their boat is not functional, so they called the other lodge just here in Siavonga to inquire if they have enough space. And that lodge said, they confirmed to say they actually have enough space. And then they said we are supposed to be there by 3:30, like in the afternoons. Okay, right. So around 14 hours, we're having our lunch, and then they just come to us and say, no, those guys called, they said the boat is fully booked. Because there's a family that had booked on Thursday, they were told to pay but did not pay. So they just showed up today. I understood, like with me, I just said I'm okay, but the other guys, like they refunded us back our money, but the other guys have gone. So I don't know what's gonna happen. So anyway, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna look for a spot where I can set up a picnic and then watch a movie, listen to music, edit videos for you, and just watch the water. So I'm actually going with you guys. I wanted to swim, but there's like a birthday arrangement going on by the pool, so I can't do that. Maybe later on I'm gonna swim in the night, but I already have my swimsuit inside, so I just packed a few things in here, and then I carried my iPad, then I have my phones and my drink. Then yeah, let's go find a spot. I also have snacks in here, but I don't have water, so let's go. I'm scared, but there are no crocodiles, you know. No, I'm not going in the water. In the water there are crocodiles. Yeah. So what happened to those guys that were swimming there? I'll just sit here. Here is okay, so that I don't have to, But there's no one.
So I actually decided I'm gonna sit here. He advised me to sit maybe by that stone or near the sand there, but I can't go there because he told me that in the water there are crocodiles. I cannot do that. Never. So I just decided I just put my chitenge here. I know it's hard, but yeah, I thought there was sand like down here. But I said no, there's no sand. So that's what I'm gonna do. If it's very hard, maybe I can change and sit there. But right now, I'm just so happy that I can see what's going on here. So I'm gonna see people that are gonna be on that boat cruise if they'll pass this side. They usually go like this because the bridge is this side. So yeah, let me just make my little spot and then we'll see what we're gonna do.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I just left that place, guys. I just wanna go shower now. I can't swim. The party they had made the water so dirty. So I'm gonna pass this side. That's behind our rooms. I'll go around. Change and wear something else. So is there where you can sit? This place is just amazing. They actually know how to water it. There are places that I know that are near the river or the lake. Oh, is it mango season? Look at this. What is this that's making noise? In the tree? I can't see it. Where are you? Where is it? Oh, it's there. I've seen it. It's on the roof. It is on the roof. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, I've been to places where they have actually a river, a dam, or a lake, but they do not take care of their places. Like their places are ever dry, no water. That's a pigeon. Anyway, yeah, like there are places with water, but they don't water their places like this. These places, these guys, they actually know how to water. It's so green. So my room is actually by the corner there. So I have to wait for the sprinkler to come around because it's gonna wet me. I have to wait for it first to pass. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I can go. Because it was gonna mess me up. Can I go? I only hope I'm not gonna fall. Because man, it's gonna be so embarrassing. So this is my room. This one. Oh, so those are the things that they use to pump the water. Those drums down there. Yeah. Whew, I'm so tired. There's a peacock in front that's busy displaying it to my wings, shining for me. Look, there's this one, number one. This one. Hi. Hi. And number two is that one. It's like, look. Look at this. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Look at that. Because it has seen a man, it's busy displaying its to my wings. Hi guys, so I am actually I've had my breakfast. I changed my shoes because I wanted to wear Crocs. And then, like, this place is really hot. Look, I'm actually sweating. But anyway, so like I told you that I'm gonna show you how this place looks like. I'm sure that's all. I'm gonna show you the beach later. Like, there's a beach, and then I've shown you the swimming pool, the rooms, and I really want to ask if they can pluck for me the coconuts. You know me and coconuts. So right now I am about to drive out. I want to go do the town walk. I only hope I'm gonna do this because it's hot. Like, it's very hot. And then I did not carry any vests. I carried these big shirts. And yeah. So let me just reverse and then I'll show you the other side as I go out. Then that will be it for this video. Yeah.
Zalonga futhi musayi.
Mai waye bafaka ko salt.
Bena ngupotemeka. Mina ayibona nje ukula. Ulakopa yonke.
So I mean, what's Siavonga trip minus meat? So I made a stop already and got myself covered.